Hello, creative friends. Khara Plicanic here for CreativePro, and I wanted to show you a quick thing that a lot of people don't know about shapes, custom shapes in Photoshop. So you're probably familiar with the basic shape tools over here, right? This allows us to create vector shapes here in Photoshop. And for each of these, we can choose to work with a shape, with a path, or with pixels. So I'm going to set this to shape. But we also have this option down here for the custom shape tool. And when we select that, we're able to come up here to this drop down and choose from a number of shapes. But you might also look at this and be like, well, wild animals and leaf trees, boats, and flowers are great, but that's really not particularly useful shapes, right? And if you come to the little cogwheel here, there's really no way to access any additional shapes other than importing your own from third-party sources, etc. But there is more beneath the surface. The trick is you need to go to the Shapes panel. So if we go to the Window menu and we go down to Shapes, we actually get this panel here, and we see the same thing that we saw from that drop-down. But here we have the panel menu. And if we go to that, there is an option here for legacy, shapes, and more. And if we click that, it adds this seemingly innocuous folder to our collection. And if we twirl that open, we get 2 more subfolders, also seemingly not that great, but there's a lot in here. So for example, if we dig into the 2019 shapes, look at all these different categories now, including really useful things like spiral shapes, that can be useful, emoticons, cute, right? All kinds of additional animals, chess and sports and playing card suits. We have signs, so like the recycle symbol, for example, that's really handy to have at your fingertips. Some flag shapes, etc. And if we come down to the all legacy default shapes, then we have even more options, and this is where we will find arrows within Photoshop. So this is really handy, and if you've been looking for arrows and wondering why you can't find them, that is because they are buried in this legacy default shapes folder inside the legacy shapes and more folder, which you do have to go to your shapes panel, to the panel menu, and load it like that. So other great stuff in here, we have some basic shapes like stars and hearts and club suits, etc. Various symbols that can be really useful, talk bubbles, and more. To use any of these shapes, then you can just click and actually drag it out onto your document and work with it from there. And of course, once you have these shapes loaded in your Shapes panel, if you prefer to work from the Custom Shape tool here, now that it's loaded in the panel, you will also see that folder and all of the shapes within it up here in the Control panel when you have the Custom Shape tool active. So I hope that helps you out next time you are trying to work with vector shapes in Photoshop.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And for thousands more how-to articles and tutorials, visit our website, creativepro.com, and become a member today. Thanks for learning with us.